Variation. There are three types: direct, inverse, and joint. And this is part 1 of 3. We will be discussing direct variation. Welcome to Mark's Math Methods. Direct variation. If we translate from the English, it would look like this is what it would look like in English. Y varies directly as x, or y is directly proportional to x. If we translated it, we'd write it as y equals k times x, where the varies directly as is directly proportional to is the equals k times. Steps for solving variation problems. Step 1. Translate from English into generic form. Identify the type of variation, and then write out the generic equation. Step 1. Step 2. Plug in given values. 3. Solve for the k value. 4. Rewrite equation, inserting the k value into the generic equation. So the only number is the k number. 5. If requested, in other words, the whole reason for doing this is to use it, plug in the given values to solve for the missing value. Let's try a problem. Example 1. The voltage V across a wire varies directly as the resistance R. If the voltage is 12 when the resistance is 5, find the voltage when the resistance is 7. Round to the nearest volt. Notice I didn't use ohms and watts and volts. We're just looking at the numbers here. So translate from English to generic form. Identify the type. Well, it says varies directly, so it's going to be equals k times. Write out generic equation. Well, in front of the varies directly is the V, and then after is the resistance, R. Plug in the given values. Well, we're told the voltage is 12 when the resistance is 5. So we end up with 12 equals k times 5. Solve for k. Divide both sides by 5. So k is 12 over 5, or 1.4. Rewrite inserting the k value. So V equals 1.4R. If requested, and this one does, plug in the given value. So we're supposed to find the voltage when the resistance is 7. So we plug in the 7 for the R, and we get 8.4. Let's try another one. The charge in dollars to customers for electricity in kilowatt hours varies directly as the number of kilowatt hours used. It costs $52 to use 800 kilowatt hours. Find the cost to use 1,000 kilowatt hours. Translate from English. So we look for identify the type. It says varies directly. So that means it's equals k times. Write out the generic. So in front of it is the charge, and after the varies directly is the number. We'll use E for electricity. You can use any letter you want in either one of these, but I tend to use what it represents. Plug in the values given. We're told the cost was 52 when the electricity used was 800. Solve for k. 52 over 800, 26 over 400, 13 over 200, or 0.065, depending on how you need to use it. I'm going to go with the decimal. rewrite the equation inserting the K value. So C equals 0.065 E. If requested, and we are, plug in the given value to find the missing. So we're given electricity, or E, is 1,000 kilowatt hours. We plug it in and we get the charge, which is $65. I hope the presentation was helpful. Thumbs up, subscribe, comment. And if you have any problem types you'd like me to demonstrate, there's my address.